BarryTiger. Subscribe!
Fire truck is stuck in the mud.
The forest is on fire!
Please help! Ouchies! My bottom is so hot!
Don't be scared! The brave fire truck is here! Watch out!
Huh? Oh! Captain Gordy!
What should we do?
Don't mind me. Put out the fire first. Looks like I need the help of Super Mechanic Barry.
Hello? This is Barry's repair station.
Super Mechanic Barry, I'm trapped in the mud. I need your help.
Sure thing. I'll send a tow truck to get you. Hello, Gordy. I've been waiting here for a long time.
Oh no, I don't feel well. Please help me. I need to put out the fire.
No problem. Dear friends, let us repair the fire truck. First up, let's do a checkup of the fire truck to see what's wrong. Oh, there's a lot of dirty stuff inside the engine. Let us clean them out now. Uh-oh, this clump of mud is too big. And now, let us vacuum the dust away. Wow, the engine is all clean. Gordy, try starting the engine.
It works! Thank you, Super Mechanic Barry.
You're welcome. But wait, you look too dirty. I'll give you a quick rinse. Let's see what we have in the toolbox. Time's running out. Use a high-pressure water gun.
Oh, it hurts a bit, but I can stand it.
Gordy, you're so brave. It'll be done soon. Lastly, let's dry off the water with a fan.
Wow, I feel so revitalized now.
The repair is done. Dear friends, thanks for your help.
Thank you, Super Mechanic Barry. I'm off to carry out my mission.
Safe journey, Gordy.
Help me! Please help me! Our water cannon can't reach it!
If only Captain Gordy was here with us.
Firefighters, here I come!
Wow! It's Captain Gordy!
Don't worry, leave the rest to me.
Thank you for saving me.
You're welcome.